quarry to para backfill sa kalsada. Ito yung loader natin. Backfillan muna niya tong kalsada na dinadaanan ng mga truck. Kasi dito banda malalim na Ito magandang klase rin yung materialis natin dito, yung quarry. Medyo nahirapan kasi yung truck dito kaya backfillan muna ng loader. Yung trabaho natin ng excavator natin dyan mga Kevin, stockpile kasi matigas yan Hindi kaya ng loader kapag ka-loader lang nagsandok dyan, hindi niya kaya, matigas. Kaya stockpile muna natin to. Ito may na-stockpile na tayo dito Tapos may mga truck na nagkakakot. Dalawa to sila, dalawang truck. Sa? Snack? Dali may dala rin snack ba? Dala lumboy? Grabe kainit dito mga Kevin. Hindi na sikat ng araw. Malambot na para sa loader Tawag sa mo, snack sa si
Swipe left, someone said something stupid. Swipe right, now I'm watching what you did. Backward down, now I'm at a disadvantage.
Andito lang din pala yung kalsadang ginagawa namin Dito yung grader natin tsaka yung truck. Dito lang sa baba. Ito yung truck natin Angat.
says, man, you gotta make an effort. Feel like all I just wanted is just a yes, sir. And when I tell people how they make me feel, they treat me like a leper. I put my headphones on, I play my favorite song. I go to sleep and try again, again, again. Mama used to try and tell me no man isn't on it, but I think I feel like drifting away. Mama used to say tomorrow never comes, so make the most, but I think I don't wait today. Swipe left, someone said something stupid. Swipe right, now I'm watching what you did. Backward down, now I'm at a disadvantage, but I think that it's worth it. I put my headphones on, I play my favorite song. I go to sleep and try again.